Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account on desktop computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To deactivate your Facebook account, click on profile icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Here under account center, you will find an option see more in account center. Click on here. In left pane, you will find personal details. Click on personal details. And under personal details, you will find the last option account ownership and control. Click on here. Here you will find two options memorialization and deactivation or delete. Click on deactivation or delete. Now click on your profile name. There are two options deactivate account and delete account. Select deactivate account and then click on continue. You will find a notification pages and additional Facebook profiles that will be deactivated too. Now click on continue and then Facebook will ask you questions why you want to delete your account. Then select the reason and then click on confirm. This is the easiest way to deactivate Facebook account on desktop computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.